Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change your password for ClearScore. To change your ClearScore account's password, first of all open up a web browser and log into clearscore.com. Soon after you end up in the main homepage of ClearScore, go to the upper right hand corner and click on your profile icon. In the expanded menu, select My Account. Under My Account, scroll down and click the View button under Account and Security. Now it'll open up several options. Click on Update Your Password, and then on the next page, enter the current password you are using for your ClearScore account. On the next field, create a new password you are trying to change to. After you are done entering the new password, make sure to click on Change Password. And that's how you will be able to change your password for your ClearScore account. So that's how you easily change your ClearScore account's login password in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.